So how do we find the derivative of the function f of x equals x squared? Well, you remember the definition of the derivative, and that is that the derivative f dash of x is the limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And in this case, that is the limit as h tends to 0 of, well, x squared is the function, so we get x plus h squared minus x squared over h, and that's just the limit. Don't forget to always write in limit where you're using it. So the limit as h tends to 0 of, well, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared divided by h. Now the x squared cancel out here, and the h on the bottom cancels with one of the h's on top. So we get the limit as h tends to 0 of 2x plus h. And hopefully you can tell that as h gets close to 0, this thing gets close to 0, and then we just get 2x. Great. Now can we do the same thing for the function f of x equals x cubed? Of course we can. We say that the derivative is the limit as h tends to 0 of x plus h cubed, because cubed is our function this time, minus x cubed divided by h, and that's the limit as h tends to 0 of, well, you can go ahead and expand this carefully, but I'm just going to tell you now that it's x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed. And then don't forget to subtract x cubed, and that's still all divided by h. The x cubes cancel out on both ends, and the h on the bottom cancels with one of the h's on the top here. So we just get the limit as h tends to 0 of 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared, and that is quite clearly equal to 3x squared. Perfect, I hope that helps.